Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 13, Planning and Forecasting, Cloud Budgeting and Forecasting. Introduction. Objective: to understand how to plan and forecast budgets effectively in an AWS Cloud environment. Importance: cloud budgeting and forecasting are critical for managing costs and ensuring financial efficiency in the cloud. Key concepts in cloud budgeting and forecasting. 1. Understanding AWS pricing models. Pay-as-you-go, charges based on actual usage. Reserved instances, significant discounts for committing to use AWS services over a period. Spot instances, use spare AWS capacity at reduced rates. 2. Cost management tools on AWS. AWS Cost Explorer, visualization of cost and usage patterns. AWS Budgets, setting custom cost and usage budgets. AWS Cost and Usage Reports, CUR, detailed billing reports. AWS Trusted Advisor, optimization recommendations. Planning for cloud costs. 1. Analyzing current usage. Usage patterns, review past usage data to identify trends. Cost allocation tags, tagging resources to allocate costs accurately. Utilization reports, monitoring and analyzing resource utilization. 2. Forecasting future costs. Historical data, using past data to predict future usage. Growth trends, incorporating business growth projections. Scenario analysis, best case, worst case, and most likely scenarios. Creating a cloud budget. 1. Setting budget goals. Business objectives, align budget with business goals. Cost control, identify areas to optimize and control costs. 2. Budget types. Operational budget, day-to-day running costs. Capital budget, long-term investments and commitments. 3. Budgeting techniques. Incremental budgeting, adjusting previous budget by a percentage. Zero-based budgeting, justifying all expenses from scratch. Activity-based budgeting, budgeting based on activities that incur costs. Monitoring and controlling costs. 1. Real-time monitoring. AWS CloudWatch, monitoring AWS resources and applications. AWS Budgets Alerts, setting up alerts for budget thresholds. 2. Cost optimization strategies. Right-sizing, ensuring resources are appropriately sized. Auto-scaling, automatically adjusting capacity to maintain performance at lowest cost. Savings plans, flexible pricing models for predictable workloads. Case study, effective cloud budgeting. 1. Scenario description. Company profile, mid-sized e-commerce company. Cloud usage, high traffic during sales, steady otherwise. 2. Budgeting approach. Historical analysis, analyzing last year's usage and costs. Growth projection, estimating growth based on marketing campaigns. Budget allocation, distributing budget across departments. 3. Outcomes. Cost savings, achieve 20% cost reduction through right-sizing. Improved forecasting, accurate forecasting led to better financial planning. Best practices for cloud budgeting and forecasting. Regular review, continuously review and adjust budgets based on actual usage and new forecasts. Tagging strategy, implement a consistent tagging strategy for better cost allocation. Use automation, leverage AWS automation tools for monitoring and managing resources. Stakeholder collaboration, collaborate with all stakeholders to ensure budget aligns with business objectives. Training and awareness, educate teams about cost impacts and efficient cloud usage.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.